Thank you, Mr. Ramirez. This is what we're going to do. We're going to postpone ruling on your motion to submit on stipulated record. We will have a ruling to you by tomorrow, which would be the 23rd by 5 o'clock. If for some reason that we agree not to grant that motion, we will reschedule a pretrial hearing. But because we're considering that motion, and if we grant it, there's no use to talk about the things that we were looking at talking about in a pretrial hearing. So we'll kind of stop this proceeding right there, right now. We will give you, if we need a pretrial hearing down the road, we'll work with schedules because of the holidays. And I guess that's kind of where we are. The council have any questions at this point?
The only question, I'm sorry, Jim. The only question I would have, Chief Justice, is, we were planning on filing exhibits. I think we can still go ahead and do that. I just, it's up to you all. If you'd rather we wait for your ruling, I understand that too.
Well, the idea was, as far as today anyway, is to have your exhibit list filed by 8 o'clock this morning. So if you want to file your exhibits and not wait for the ruling, that's fine. Because under our pretrial order, you're supposed to have done that anyway, at least the list. So yeah, go on and file them, and we'll go from there. Any other questions? Okay. And you sure you don't want to come up to Amarillo in December?
I hear it's lovely in December, Judge.
Honestly, right now it's beautiful, and it can be very beautiful in December, or it can be very cold in December.
It could be a lot worse, I understand.
Oh yeah.
Okay. We're actually curious as to whether the venue precipitated those stipulated facts.
No, I mean, not from my perspective. The state will send me up there, or the state will send me to Houston, or the state will let me stay here. So
I don't think I'm authorized to comment on that question, Judge.
We understand. We understand. With that, we'll go on and terminate this pretrial hearing, and we will get to you by 5 o'clock tomorrow with a ruling on your motion. We do appreciate your cooperation with this and your consideration of submitting on stipulated record. And we'll go on and release you, Mr. Graham, and Mr. Koser, and you guys have a good Thanksgiving, and I'll ask the judges to kind of stay on for just a short bit.
You all as well. Thank you, Judge.